Alright, I think this is going to be the Voxel room map generation part 2, but we got the drone flying around again, collecting data. We've got the lighthouse deck and the multi-ranger deck. The flight before this was really solid. It probably flew for 3 minutes and collected a whole lot of points. I'll try to get an updated map here, and maybe part 3 can be a map video. Actually, I'll just pull up the map now and be good. So here's the updated room map, and I try to we got the drone coming right there. So it's buzzing along, different elevations, different XYZ positions, and spinning. So the multi-ranger just has 5 sensors. I think I mentioned before. Front, back, left, right, and top. And top is covered by the lighthouse deck because that is on top of the multi-ranger deck. That has to go on top because the photo diodes have to connect to the lighthouse base stations up there, which are ceiling mounted. So those come in from the top and have to hit the lighthouse deck on top. You can maybe see, but it kind of looks squished. So the lighthouse deck is on very top, and then the multi-ranger, and then the battery, and then the flight controller PCB, which is kind of part of the drone at that point. But back to this here. So this is our map so far after like 5 or 6 runs. So the dock is, I guess it's kind of center position. I haven't moved the dock, and I'll probably have to kind of do this all today because the dock will move and then the map will be different. But this is the room. Which is pretty accurate. So this is like the projector wall here. It's one of the easier walls to map. You can see the corner. And so this gap right here it's going to be the gap right there. So you have a solid wall right there, and then the gap there. And it can kind of pick up that middle beam, which is interesting. And then you have a gap for the kitchen. So I'll show you. Yeah, so you can kind of see it collecting data in that region there. It's hard to show on video. But then this is the back wall behind me. And then interesting, I'm not exactly sure why. I have to look into it a bit, but for the window, there's a window and a window shade here. And it's not really collecting data there. And it must have something to do with the sensor. Because it's solid, right? But for whatever reason, the sensor must not work on that. So that appears as a gap, and you have a partial wall here and then a more solid wall here. So yeah, I'll just keep running more data and filling in the map. I'm having it. I just told Claude to tell it. Oh, it fell out of the sky there. To collect more data on the unexplored parts. So we'll see how well it can do that.